A very pleasant good afternoon to all. This is Harika from 10th standard. My guide teacher is Saidamma ma'am. Today I will introduce you a mathematical word which is prepared on the basis of some mathematics equations. So shall we start now? Next, first here a power 0. A power 0, we all know that a power 0 is obviously 1. Next, even prime number. So we all know that the even prime number is the only one in the number system, that is 2. 2 is the only even prime number in the number system. The even prime number is nothing but the numbers which is a prime number and also an even number is called even prime number. The numbers which is divisible by 2 is even number. The numbers which is divisible by itself and also in one table is called prime number. So the 2 remains here. Next, 3 root of 27. 27 is also can be written as 3 cube. 3 cube whole power 1 by 3. So the 3 and cube in the cancellation, so the answer remains here 3. Here first composite number. Composite number is nothing but the numbers which is divisible by more than 2 factors is called composite number. So here the first composite number is 4. 4 is divisible by more than 2 factors. 4 is divisible by 1 table and 2 table and also 4 table. So the 4 is the first composite number in the number system. Here root of 27. So the answer remains here 4. So here root of 27. Root of 27. 25 is can be written as 5 square. Root of 5 square. Square and root in the cancellation. So the answer remains here 5. Next, 3 factorial. Factorial is nothing but the product of given positive integers less than or equal. So here 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So the answer remains here 6. The factorial is denoted by the given number and also an exclamation point. So this is the exclamation point here. Pi equal to 22 by x. So we all know that the value of pi in the fraction form is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 is equals to 22 by x. By in the cross multiplication, 22 by x is equals to 22 into 7. So the 22 goes in the by form. X is equals to 22 into 7 by 22 and 22 in the cancellation. So x is equals to, the answer remains here 7. So the answer is 7. Next, 2 cube. So 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So the answer remains here 8. Next, this is the Hero's formula. Hero's formula is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So here the values are given here. A is equals to 5, b is equals to 4, c is equals to 9.
One and all, myself Miss I am studying 10th standard. Today I am saying about real numbers and my guide teacher is Fauzia ma'am and Neha ma'am. Real numbers, the combination of real numbers are rational numbers and irrational numbers. The sets of all real numbers containing different categories like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. First I will explain about natural numbers. The collective of all numbers which start from 1 and natural numbers is denoted by n. For example, 1, 2, 3. And whole numbers, the collection of all natural numbers and 0 and 0. This is denoted by W. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. And integers, the collection of all whole numbers and negative of all natural numbers, which is denoted by capital I or Z. For example, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity. Rational numbers, the numbers which are in the form of p by q. For example, 1 by 2, minus 2 by 3, 2.25 and it is denoted by capital Q. Now irrational numbers, the numbers which are not in the form of p by q. For example, 5 minus root 3, root 2. The value of 5 is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.